Yes, students, we have completed the chapter number 2, nutrition in animals. Okay, and we have also discussed NCERT back exercise 1, 2, 3, and 4th part. Now, coming to the question number 5. Yes, Javi, read the question number 5. Javi Singh.
मैं पहले अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा था. What are villi? What is their location and function?
So what are villi? Yes, Nimita. What do you mean by villi? We have discussed in the class.
The inner walls of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowths are called villi.
So it is also given on page number 17. The inner walls of the small intestine has thousands of finger-like outgrowths. These are called villi. So what are the functions? What is its location? So firstly you will write the definition, that what is villi, okay, and then you will write its location, where it is located.
In the inner walls of small intestine.
Yes, inner walls of the small intestine. Small intestine. And what is its function? Function क्या है?
The villi increase the surface area for
Use the
absorption.
food and make the outgrowth of fingers in the small intestine.
Villi increase the surface of area for the absorption of.
So what is the function? Yes, Dhruv.
Ma'am, it increases the surface area for absorption of food.
Yes, very good. So it is also given in that para, the villi increases surface area for the absorption of the digested food. So you can write the function here. Then you will write the function, okay, in this way. Here you will write the line. Clear? So this answer is clear to you. Firstly you will define it, then you will tell its location, then write its function. You will write the answer in points in this way. Clear? So the next is, yes, Vanshika, read the question number 6.
Where is the bile produced? Which component of the food does it help to digest? Bile is produced in small intestine. It helps to digest the digestion of fats.
Vanshika, it is produced by liver. Bile is produced by liver. Clear? So the answer number 6, the bile is produced, the answer of first is bile is produced by liver, and which component of the food does it help to digest? Which component of food?
Fats.
Very good. It is fats. So in the first one, in answer number 6, you will write bile is produced by, you will write the proper sentence that the bile is produced by liver.
Largest gland of our body, liver.
Yes.
And is stored
gland.
by bile
Okay,
bladder.
and then next you will write its component. It helps in digestion of fats.
Fats.
Clear? So it is the answer of 6th question. Now next, Saisha, read the question number 7.
Name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by the humans. Give the reason also.
Yes.
The type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants is the cellulose. It cannot be
very
digested
good.
by Because humans do not have the bacteria that digest cellulose.
Very good. So the humans do not have the bacteria. Okay, so that in the ruminants, the cellulose is digested by the action of bacteria that is not present in humans. Clear? So how will you write the answer? Just see here. Very good, Sasha. Answer is right. So how will you write this? That firstly you will write the name of the carbohydrate. That means cellulose. Clear? And then you will mention that the ruminants have a sac-like organ that is called rumen. Clear? There is a large sac-like structure in rumen. That is called, there is sac-like structure in ruminants. And what is the name of that large sac? It is rumen. Clear? And the next line. So, but in humans, the human is not present. Okay? And the human of these animals. Then you will make the next point that the cellulose is digested in the ruminants by the action of. Then you will write about the bacteria. That is a special type of bacteria that is present in the ruminants. Okay. So by the action of this bacteria, cellulose get digested, but not humans because humans cannot digest it because this bacteria is not present in the human. Clear? Answer is clear to you. You will write the answer in point. Just remember this thing. It will be easy for you. Can you tell me rumen is situated in between the two organs? What is the name of that organ? The two compartments. It is present between the two compartments. Yes.
Esophagus, small intestine.
And small intestine.
Small
Very good.
intestine.
So you must remember this thing that rumen is present in between the esophagus and small intestine. Clear? So next, yes, Aparna, read the question number 8, bache.
Why do we get instant energy from glucose?
Yes.
Answer is we get instant energy from glucose because it does not need to be digested and it is directly absorbed in the blood.
Okay, I will tell you its more appropriate answer that is easy for you also. Glucose. I have told you that there are carbohydrates. Okay, we are talking about energy. Okay, so there are carbohydrates that gives us energy. Clear? So glucose is a carbohydrate. Glucose is a carbohydrate. क्लियर? मैंने आपको बताया था कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स के टू फॉर्म है, एक है स्टार्च, एक है शुगर्स. मींस हमें स्टार्च भी एनर्जी दे रहा है, शुगर्स भी एनर्जी दे रहे हैं. क्लियर? सो ग्लूकोज इज अ टाइप ऑफ अ शुगर that you will study in the further classes, that glucose is a sugar. So this provides. Yes.
Can we write glucose is a simpler form of carbohydrate that
Yes,
can be
yes. First
digested
point.
by our body?
Krish, only first line मैंने सुनी है, दूसरी लाइन मैंने नहीं सुनी. बच्चे दोबारा रिपीट करोगे प्लीज.
That can be digested and absorbed by our body.
Yes. So first point, the point will be glucose is the simplest form of carbohydrate. Clear? And the next point will be, the first point will be this, and the second point will be that it can be broken down easily. Clear? मैंने आपको बोला था अगर वो सिंपलर सब्सटेंस है मतलब वो जल्दी ब्रेक डाउन भी कर जाएगा, जितना कॉम्प्लेक्स होगा उतना उसको ब्रेक डाउन में डिफिकल्टी होगी. Clear? We have studied the point that therefore it is a simpler form of carbohydrate. That means it can be broken down. It break down easily. Clear? And the next, therefore, if अगर वो उसकी breakdown बहुत जल्दी हो रहा है, मतलब it is providing us instant energy. Clear? So glucose provide us instant energy. So this answer is clear to you. How you have to write it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next, coming to the question number 9. Students, you will write the question number 5, 6, 7, and 8. Clear? And 10 also. I'm just telling you, we will do it. 10 and 13 on notebook. जो बाकी है, that you will complete it on book.
मैम
Clear?
जो आपने 12th क्वेश्चन का भी होमवर्क दिया था वो
हाँ
भी
जी,
हम
yes.
बना रहे हैं। मैम यस वो डायग्राम ही बनाना है ना बस।
Yes, you have to draw the diagram, a proper labeled diagram.
ओके
Clear?
मैम।
Yes.
इनको
Next is which part of the digestive canal is involved in? You will answer one by one. Okay. So the first is absorption of food. Pranvi,
Small intestine.
very good. So the answer is you will write answer on book. Okay, and the first one is small intestine. And the next is chewing of food. Krishiv.
Buccal cavity.
Buccal cavity.
Yes, it is buccal cavity. Or you can also write mouth. Buccal cavity. Don't get confused if it is written as oral cavity also. Okay. Clear? Oral भी हो सकता है, mouth भी आ सकता है, buccal cavity भी हो सकता है. So killing of bacteria. Yes. Vridhi. Yes, बच्चे. Bacteria.
Stomach.
Very good. It is stomach. And the next. And which acid is present in stomach? That is killing the bacteria. Khushpreet Kaur, you know the answer, बच्चे?
Hydrochlorine acid and digestive
Ma'am,
process.
hydrochloric acid.
Yes,
And
very good. It
mucus.
is hydrochloric acid. So you must remember all the important things that we have discussed in the chapter. Now next, complete digestion of food. Tanvi,
यस मैम।
complete digestion किस part में होता है हमारे?
Large intestine.
No, large intestine is the in which the undigested food goes.
Small
Full digestion.
intestine.
Ma'am, in
Yes.
small intestine.
Ma'am, small intestine.
Yes, the
Ma'am, small intestine.
small
Ma'am, small intestine.
Now next is formation of feces. Yes,
Small intestine.
Jaideep Singh.
Large
Ma'am,
intestine.
large intestine.
Large intestine.
Formation of feces, large intestine.
The removal of feces takes place from which one?
Anus.
Very good. And the storage of feces?
Rectum.
Rectum.
Very good, very good, very good. So the last answer is large intestine. So I think the concepts are clear to you. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
very good, bache, very good. I really feel happy when you attend all the answers. Now next is question number 10. Harjot Kaur, please read the question number 10. But I'm rubbing this, okay? You just say, Amanjot.
Ma'am, Harjot has left the meeting.
Okay. Yes, Shubhra. You can read the question number 10, bache.
Okay, ma'am. Write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and human beings.
Yes, so you have to write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and human beings. Students, we will write more than one. Clear? ताकि आपको पता चले उनमें similarity क्या है, difference क्या है. One, I think, one similarity and difference is not sufficient. Clear? So we will add more points into it. Clear? And amoeba is clear to you. What is amoeba?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me?
Amoeba is a unicellular organism.
Just 1 minute. Yes, Jaideep. Tanvi.
Ma'am, amoeba is a unicellular organism
Yes.
which is usually found in pond water.
Very good. So it is unicellular. But humans are unicellular or multicellular?
Multicellular.
Multicellular. So now, firstly, we will discuss the point of similarity. Okay, then we will come to the difference part. Okay. So it is answer number 10, similarity between the two amoeba and the human being. So I told you that the first point will be nutrition. What is
It
the
takes food just like
nutrition. Both perform
takes
holozoic nutrition.
just like human.
yes, the
Both perform
mode of
holozoic
nutrition is
nutrition.
same in both and it is holozoic.
Holozoic.
And the next is that second similarity is there is in the holozoic nutrition. What are the steps?
Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, ignition.
Very good. So you have to write that there are same stages or steps of nutrition. Then you will write in bracket ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, all the 5. And the last one is digestion. Clear? And the third one is the basic process of digestion and release of energy is same. Basic process of digestion and release of energy is same. Clear? You will complete this point, basic process of digestion and the release of energy is same. Now coming to the difference. So what are the differences between human being and amoeba? Yes,
Amoeba feeds on microscopic creatures and human eat vegetable food.
Yes.
By single celled and human is multi-celled.
Yes.
And amoeba uses pseudopodia to capture food, but we use buccal activity for the food.
Very good. Very good. So we have another one also, that there is digestion takes place in the stomach in the case of human beings, and in the case of amoeba there is a
Food
vacuole.
vacuole.
Very
Food
good.
vehicle.
Very good. So
The air gaps.
the egestion through in the human beings, egestion is through the
Buccal
Anus.
anus, and in the case of egestion in the case of amoeba it is through a vacuole. Clear? वो जो egestion जो उसका जो बेस बच गया है वो भी क्या है, ऐसे ही रिलीज हो जाता है वैक्यूल के हेल्प से. Vacuoles are nothing but the empty spaces. So we have done so many differences between that is single cell. On the other hand, human beings have very well developed digestive system. And next is the amoeba take food with the help of by the pseudopodia, and in the case of humans, buccal cavity. Clear? And the digestion in the case of human takes place in the stomach, and in the case of amoeba it takes place in food vacuole.
Food vacuole.
So there are 4 to 5 differences that we have discussed. So you will write the 5 points here, and next coming to the match the items column 1 of the column 1 with the suitable items in column 2.
मैम
Yes.
मैम मैम जो मूविया का पैराग्राफ है मैम, वहाँ पे एक वर्ड है मैम, पसूड़ी पोड़िया पता नहीं क्या है मैम, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा.
कहाँ पे वर्ड है एक?
मैम it pushes out one or more finger like projections like, मैम उसका नाम नहीं समझ आ रहा, वो क्या है?
एक मिनट, just give me a minute. Yes.
मैम एक लाइन है, it pushes out one or more finger like projections called पसूड़ी पोड़िया, पता नहीं क्या है मैम, ये समझ नहीं आ रहा.
It is pseudopodia. Yes, it is pseudopodia, and it is, for example, जैसे कि अमीबा है, उसकी जो है फिंगर लाइक ऐसे आउटग्रोथ्स होती हैं, इनको हम pseudopodia कहते हैं. Clear?
ओके मैम.
Yes, इनकी जैसी स्ट्रक्चर है ना, फिंगर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, इसको हम pseudopodia कहते हैं. Clear?
ओके मैम.
Yes.
यस.
Yes.
So the first one is salivary gland. So what is the relevant answer?
Saliva.
Saliva.
Saliva secretion.
So the answer of salivary gland is saliva secretion. And for the B, stomach,
Acid release.
Acid
Acid
release.
release.
acid release. Very good. Please complete it on your book. Liver,
Bile
secretion.
Bile juice.
Secretion.
yes, bile juice secretion.
Juice.
Next is rectum, D.
Storage of
Storage of undigested food.
One by one. Rectum is storage of undigested food. Small intestine, Shubhra. Shubhra, small intestine.
Digestion is completed.
Digestion is completed.
Very good. Digestion is completed. And in the large intestine,
Absorption of water.
very good. The large intestine, absorption of water. And release of feces. ये किसी का भी आंसर नहीं है.
Anus.
Yes, it is the answer of anus, but it is not mentioned in the column 1. But anus is the right answer for it. Okay. Now next question number 12 that you have to draw it on your notebook. Please label it also and draw a well labeled diagram. Clear? And next question number 13. Janvi bache, please read the question number 13.
Can we survive only on raw leafy vegetables? That's discussed.
So, can we survive? Who will answer me? Ravneet Singh?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, the answer is no. Why? Anyone?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Vanshika?
Ma'am, because all the nutrients are not present in leafy vegetables and grass, so we need to eat all the things for for requiring different nutrients.
So in the case of the leafy vegetables, that means leafy vegetable or grass. So firstly, we will discuss about the leafy vegetable. Okay, we eat the.
And because I'm also we don't have. Ma'am, also we cannot digest cellulose.
Just give me. Yes, bache.
Excuse me, ma'am. We cannot
Excuse
just
me, ma'am.
raw leafy food because we cannot digest cellulose.
Very good. So grass में क्या present होता है? Cellulose. Very good, बच्चे. Yes, Pranvi, you are raising hand. बच्चे, what happened?
Ma'am, I was having doubt in question number 5.
Okay. What is your doubt?
Ma'am, what are villi and what is their location and function? What will we write in the question? What are villi?
Firstly, you will write that it is a. There are thousands of finger-like outgrowths. These are the finger-like outgrowths. And then next in the location, you will write in the inner wall of the small intestine and function that it increases surface area, and so there will be more absorption of in the digestion of the food. Clear?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
It increases the surface
Excuse
area
me,
for
ma'am.
absorption. Yes.
Ma'am, esophagus की definition क्या बनेगी?
So esophagus is just like a tube that is 25 to 30 centimeter long. Okay, and it contains muscles. Okay, therefore the muscles help in the movement of the food. Okay, so you can write it is a tube-like structure which is 25 centimeter long. Okay, we take food from this food pipe.
Ma'am, it is also known as food pipe.
Yes, yes, yes. And there are muscles in the food pipe that shows movement, that helps in the digestion of food. And the next is, and you can also write the swallowed food passes through the esophagus. So next is can we survive only on raw leafy vegetables, grass?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम फैटी एसिड की डेफिनेशन हम ये लिख सकते हैं कि acids produced by the conversion of fats.
Yes, in the fatty acids, when the fats break down into the fatty acids. So fatty acids are the acids which are produced by the breakdown of fats in the process of digestion. During the process of digestion, sorry. So, yes. So, next is the leafy vegetables or grass. Can we survive only on raw leafy vegetable grass? Discuss. So,
Grass and leafy grass and leafy
Ma'am, we cannot live on
cellulose and
raw.
Ma'am, we cannot live on.
Humans do not have
Humans, so they cannot digest the grass.
Ma'am, we
very
cannot
good, very good.
Humans
cellulose.
cannot digest cellulose.
Very good. The answer is right. Now I will tell you that the leafy vegetables, leafy vegetable that we eat, it is a source of vitamins and minerals. Okay, that means these are required for our body. Clear? And it also includes in the balanced diet. Okay, we eat spinach. So it is a leafy vegetable that we eat. But therefore, these leafy vegetables are required for our body. Clear? But if we talk about the grass, it cannot be digested because it contains cellulose. Okay. So you will first describe the leafy vegetable. That is, it is required for our body. It provides us. It is a rich source of vitamins and minerals. Okay, and therefore it is required